So we are now creating position number. Let's get back to the concept file. This is the entry position. This is the one that's PosNum. We use this PosNum to determine what account we should have from our debit column and our credit column. So let's get back to 138. I forgot to rename the table, so Control F3. We just have table 1, right? But I forgot to rename it, so we just rename it JE typo. So it's J journal entry, and just press OK. Then every time we refer to JE list ESNum, then we will have this. That's for next few steps. Okay, and we can start creating position number. And what we want to do is we want to loop the position from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just loop 1 to 6 5 times because we have 5 transactions, right? The easy thing is we can just do this. Okay, hold on. Let's say if our ES number is equal to a dash like this one, then I will return a dash. I just want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position to loop when I have transaction. I don't want it to appear if it doesn't have any transaction. Okay, so if bracket and then click this one. It's ES number, right? But remember to remove the @ sign because we want to select the whole column. See this one, the whole column. Okay, since we are in the same table, it doesn't show JE list. But if you type it, it's perfectly okay. It's fine if you don't type it if you are inside the table. Okay, so just skip it. ESNum equals open bracket, open quote, a dash, close quote. Then I want to see a dash also. Otherwise, if ES number is not a dash, that means it has transaction inside. Then we will have to mod. Let me finish that and I will explain it later. The number is, we can use the rows function again because we rows over and over. F7, right? And F for the lock it, just move it a little bit like this. Colon F7, and then we -1 because we have the number. The mod function, you see the number, you see number here. We just put a full number here, and then we have to divide it by 6 because we need 6 positions. Remember, Alt Enter, and then we close with a bracket. Oops. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then starting from the 7th column, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't get what we want, but it's very close, right? So we just add 1 in front of the mod. Then you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me explain this formula a little bit. What the mod function does is, let's say if I put a number 16 and we divided it by 6, what we get is 4 because 6 times 2 plus, we add a bracket first because we learned it from grade 4, right? 6 times 2 plus 4 equals 16. And the 4 is the remainder. It's the remainder of between 16 and 6 times 2. Why we do 6 times 2 but not 6 times 3? If we multiply 6 by 3, we'll get 18, which is way more than 16. We have to get the number that is just less than 16. So that's why we use 6 times 2 because it's 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. If we take the mod function, the mod formula on 17, what we get? We get 5 because 6 times 2 plus 5 equals 17. So we take 17 and just got mixed up. Okay, and we apply the same token here. Let's say we wrote down by 17, so it's F7 and F14. So we got 17 here, right? 17 minus 1 is 16. We take 16 and divide it by 6. And we take the mod function, then we'll get 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So let's see if we are right. Let's find F17. See, this is 5. Okay. Next part, we'll be creating the account number based on different positions.